While maintaining your floors, it's important to follow the proper procedures to ensure the highest quality of floor care. The following video will take you through the procedures step by step. First, it's important to make sure you have all the proper equipment. For applying a floor sealer and finish, you will need wet floor signs, SSS floor sealer, SSS floor finish, mop bucket with wringer, rayon finish mop or microfiber flat mop, can liner, gloves, safety glasses. Before using any chemicals, wear protective glasses and gloves. Read the label on all chemicals and take the recommended safety precautions. For additional information, read the product MSDS. Whether you choose to build the foundation of your floor care program with sealer or floor finish, both are applied in the same manner. Apply it with a clean rayon blend mop. Make sure the mop has not been used for cleaning or stripping. To help absorbency and save finish, soak your mop first in clean water and wring it out tightly. Be sure your bucket and wringer are clean. Contamination can spoil the sealer and ruin your application. One way to ensure against contamination is to put a plastic can liner in your bucket. It'll make cleanup easier too. On a new floor or floors in good condition, one even medium coat of sealer should suffice. To lay an even medium coat, fully coat your mop in sealer. Then wring out just the bottom half of the mop. The top end of the mop will feed the mop with the right amount of sealer for a medium coat. A microfiber flat mop is a viable alternative in the application of seal and finish. With the first coat, start away from the baseboard and outline the area by forming a 15-foot by 18-foot U-shaped section of applied sealer. Cover the remaining floor area inside the U using a figure 8 motion. A figure 8 motion will reduce back fatigue. Use additional sealer as needed. Flip your mop every 3 to 4 passes to ensure even coats. Be sure to cover the entire floor. Avoid splashing the floor sealer when applying subsequent coats along edges or baseboard. The objective is to apply even medium coats of seal or finish. Coats that are too heavy may result in puddling. Allow 30 minutes for the first coat of sealer to dry completely. If your finger makes a mark in the film, it's not dry. If your second coat is applied too soon, it can cause streaking. If necessary, apply a second coat of floor sealer with the same procedure. If there is sealer or finish left in your bucket after application, don't put it back in the original container. This will prevent contamination. With sealer on the floor, you've taken the first step in building a foundation for a floor care system. Now you're ready for the next step, application of floor finish. Your floor finish is essential to your floor care system. It's the key to gloss and durability. Your SSS sales consultant can help you select the proper finish that will meet your standards and enhance your facility's appearance and safety. Follow the recommended procedures to ensure proper application. This will help you get full performance from your finish. To help absorbency and save finish, soak your mop first in clean water and wring it out tightly. Use a plastic liner in your bucket. This prevents contamination and makes cleanup easy. Soak the mop in finish and wring out only the bottom half. This will help you apply an even medium coat. Start your first coat away from the baseboard and outline the area by forming a 15-foot by 18-foot U-shaped section of applied finish. Always start at the point farthest from your point of exit. For example, if you're doing a classroom, you want to start in the far corner and work back to the door. Be careful not to box yourself in. Cover the remaining floor area inside the U using a left to right motion, which reduces back fatigue. Resaturate mop as needed. Rotate your mop every 3 to 4 passes to ensure even coats. Be sure to cover the entire area. Avoid splashing sealer or finish on edges or adjacent surfaces. Dry time is usually about 30 minutes, but this can be affected by humidity, air circulation, and temperature. Instead, use a blower to help speed drying. Give it about 10 minutes dry time before turning on the blower. Aim the air blower above the floor. Don't let it blow dust over the finish. Take your second coat right up to the baseboard. Then alternate coats in the same manner. This helps eliminate buildup along the edges. On a floor that has a foundation of seal, apply 2 or more coats of finish. If there is no seal, apply 4 or more coats to build your foundation. Ultra-high-speed finishes can be burnished as soon as it dries. Check manufacturer's product label. Give the finish 24 hours to cure properly before wet mopping. Be sure to inspect your work and correct any steps you might have missed. Once the job is done, clean your equipment promptly. Dried finish is harder to clean. If necessary, keep mops damp in a sealed bag for later cleaning. When the floor is completely dry, remove the wet floor signs. Return furniture and other items cleared from the area to their proper location. When you are finished, wash hands and dry thoroughly.